That's a fact.
Okay. We're not going to search you,
okay.
but I'd like to pat you down for weapons.
You can't pat me down. I don't. I do not want to consent to search and seizure for what? I ain't did shit. Okay. I ain't did nothing for you to search me.
If you let me explain it to you, I'll explain it to you.
You can't. How you gonna search me? What crime I've committed?
I've already explained the CBC.
I ain't committed no crime. No unlawful crime for you to search me, man. No, you can't. You can't make me believe that, man. You can't. I ain't gonna believe that shit, bro.
Sir, what we don't want to do is
call the watch commander, man, because you got to search me. I ain't did shit.
Coming right now.
That's right.
If that would de-escalate the situation,
hell no, fuck all that.
Give you a reason.
I ain't committed no crime. I ain't did nothing for you to search me, bro. I don't give a fuck. Let's block.
Okay, sir.
No, I ain't gonna say shit else. What if I did? I ain't did shit. Even if I did some traffic violations on the bike, then so what? Give me my citation and let me bounce.
Name, sir?
That's it. First of all, get the watch commander. I ain't did nothing wrong, bro. You've been harassing me since you seen me down the street on the aisle. That's what's going on. Because you don't know somebody just mad.
A man riding his bike is stopped by police. They want to search him just for a minor traffic violation. He firmly refuses, repeatedly insisting, "I haven't committed any crime. Why should you search me? You're trying to violate my civil rights." The officers cite the case Terry versus Ohio to justify a so-called pat-down search, but the man strongly objects, saying it's just an excuse to infringe on his rights. He also emphasizes that he's been out of prison for 8 years, living straight, and won't accept being treated like a criminal over a petty bike code violation. What do you think about how this man handled the situation? Was he right to stand firm and defend his rights? Or did the officers have a valid reason to search him? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn about their civil rights when dealing with police.
Period. And I ain't giving up my rights to search and seizure for nothing.
You don't have to give up your rights.
Yeah, and I ain't committed no crime. You think I'm gonna let you search me?
What we want to do is just pat you down for weapons.
Man, you see these guns right here? That's what I got up underneath me. I got some guns up underneath here. That's all it is.
All you have is your muscles.
That's all it is. That's all it is. It ain't nothing but these guns up underneath.
You're causing this to be escalated. I'm trying to de-escalate.
Because what you're trying to do is you're trying to violate my rights, man, by telling me I need to search and seizure for something I ain't did wrong.
Can I explain to you the law?
All it is a traffic.
Can I explain to you the law? Can I explain to you the law?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So there is case law. Terry versus Ohio. I will write it down on a piece of paper and give it to you. I will write down a piece of paper and give it to you after we're done with this. That says that we can pat people down.
You can't pat me down. Okay. Not on no motherfucking traffic violation. I'm considering no bike. I ain't under the influence. I ain't been drinking.
You do have legal authority.
I don't give a fuck. That's some bullshit. To me, that's only some bullshit. When we gonna sit
you're lying.
When we gonna sit right here and just wait it out, we got a witness right here. Mm-hmm. That's all we gonna do. I'm gonna turn my lights off so I run my battery down because y'all ain't gonna fuck me up. Yeah, and this is an $800 bike and it ain't stolen. Showing the fuck ain't. And don't worry about all that. I got money in my pocket. I ain't no robbery suspect. I ain't did nothing. I'm not. I'm showing the fuck not. I ain't did shit for you to search me, bro. And I ain't got nothing on me. Straight, I'll tell you like that. I ain't got no guns on me. I ain't got no dope. I ain't got no crack. I ain't got nothing. I'm telling you straight up. I ain't got that. I'm letting you know I ain't got nothing but a pack of cigarettes on me, and that's it, bro. That's fine. That's all I got.
You're the one to put this on the internet. You're not doing anything out of our authority. That's all I got, man. And I'm just trying to de-escalate the situation.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I ain't doing none of that shit. Hey, watch this, man. Watch my name come back. Watch how it intensifies it. Watch this.
As soon as our partner's in here, we're going to write him a citation.
Yeah, let me go. Yeah, that's it. You ain't going to search for probation, man. I've been out of the penitentiary 8 years. I've been out of prison 8 years, man. I've been doing good.
What were you in prison for?
Shit, it ain't none of your business. Don't you got a computer right there? What's my name? I'm straight. We don't have any motherfucking conversation other than you trying to violate my civil rights by making me search to a fucking bicycle code violation. And that got me fucked up.
I have already told you we're not trying to search you.
Oh, but then we good then.
You have no weapons.
I don't. So you can't search me. I don't. So we good. I told you I got a pack of cigarettes on me. That's it, sir.
Is green one clear now? Are you on green one? Not Pennsylvania one? Yes. Yes.
I know
we are waiting for a supervisor at this point.
Hey, ma'am, I did 20 years in the penitentiary. 20. And I know my civil code rights and violations and shit like that. So whatever little traffic shit that they get me on, that's fine. But all that other shit, they trying to force their little badge, no, never. Can I get my phone?
At this point, you already have. So.
I ain't getting nothing wrong.
I know.
I ain't getting nothing wrong. Yeah, I'm being harassed by the police, so I told you I got chased down by the cops. They got me on the curb. Hello? That's Anaheim PD got me right here in Vaughn Shopping Center. Right here. And it's another lady right here recording. She's out the straight. They trying to make me search and seizure on a bike violation. All right, bye.
We got her filming, and we got both of us filming. Okay?
Well, it don't matter.
This can be evaluated, reviewed by whoever. I don't care.
Well,
all I want to do is make sure that we all.
Listen, you try to violate my rights by trying to make me subject to a search and seizure on a bike violation, and that was some bullshit.
I've already explained to you the case law that says we're allowed to.
Nah, man, that's bullshit. Watch commander can tell me that.
We have a suppression right now. I know, but I can't write that ticket until the scene is safe. Okay,
well, wait till your supervisor comes. We'll release it, and then you give me my ticket, and we do it. Are you still not gonna search me? That's it.
Every ticket I've got, they've never searched my car.
I got lights. I had lights. I got lights
For traffic violations.
Okay, thank you, sir. I got a career. You don't know that, but you pulled me up when you spoke about me for some reason. Curiosity make a motherfucker, curiosity, you see people doing things, you see I ain't afraid to speak. Evidently, if I ain't afraid to speak, then you know that this dude ain't going for nothing. You know what I mean? I saw when y'all, we was going the same direction. I turned off that little street, did my little thing, then I jumped across the street. I saw when y'all turned y'all lights on over here. So, you know, I watched it. So, you know, I mean, that's what profiling is all about. That's what happened. Riding my bike, hitting corners. They see me, they want to fuck with me. You know what I mean? Now they want to talk about some, oh, you got some little traffic, little infractions. Okay, that's fine, but you want to search me for what? I ain't on probation, boy. I ain't on probation in 8 years. Okay. I've been doing good. I just look like this. You know what I mean? That's all it is. When you start getting curious about somebody, you know, you want to get to tripping, but they get to talk about they want to search me for what?
Yeah. I'm not sure.
I'll go pay that little shit, man. Yeah. I'll go pay it tonight.
Yeah. Okay, well, no, just take my stuff there. I'm going to go back to work in a minute.
I know, you told me you've been to prison. You've been in
this
for
20
years.
Three grand on me, you see what I'm saying? Yeah, it ain't like I got some money. You know what I mean? Got a little dollars. Got a little bullshit ass ticket, man. What's wrong? You're profiling, motherfucker. That's all it is. That's what happened. Following the right direction of traffic. I was with an individual right there going down the right side direction of the road. Yeah. You followed me. Why y'all following me?
Driving down.
Come on, man. I didn't know. Was I appearing to be doing anything that was illegal or anything? As I was riding down the same street in traffic?
We're not getting it.
Wrong. Your commander's here. See that? That's how you try to cover in the back. following me though.
You like help you? We're following. Is there any way yet? Here. Are you at the park run Olympics?
Trying to violate my rights. That's first. Yeah, that's right. Exactly. That was first. That's what you trying to do, bro. Make me self-certain. But get some of these dope things around here that be doing some dirt and shit like that. Crackheads out here smoking dope, fucking all the fucking person goddamn thing. Fucking them.
You are going to be cited today, so we'll give you sign right here. I'll give you a copy.
What? Thank you, I appreciate that. I really know this up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man.
In the last video, we saw how a simple traffic stop turned into a heated standoff when a citizen refused to give up his rights. But that was just the beginning. In this next encounter, Jeremy Thomas takes it even further. Standing firm with his camera in hand, he reminds the police, being suspicious is not a crime. Anything my eyes can see from public, my camera can record.
Not a crime, sir. Sir? Say what now? No, I don't work here.
You don't walk around these people's cars up here.
Sir?
What you doing walking around these people's cars?
Just because I can do it.
Because you can?
Yes, sir.
You got any ID on here or anything?
Yeah, but I'm not giving it up. I'm not being suspicious of crime. I haven't committed a crime, sir.
You don't want somebody's closed business property?
Yeah, but it's public.
No, sir. This is private property.
Where does this say private at?
It's a business. Do you own this?
It doesn't matter. I was just at Lane. I mean, not Lane.
You just do the Facebook thing, ain't
Yeah,
you? Yeah.
but not bothering the cops. No. I was just at our Prince out of Motor.
You always searching out cops so you can confront them with this stuff, right?
No.
I've seen your videos.
See my videos? No, you didn't see mine.
On Facebook?
No.
Yeah.
Facebook?
Yeah.
No, sir. My videos are not on Facebook,
What
sir.
else?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And they're not cops.
Jeremy Thomas, a First Amendment auditor, films himself standing near a car lot recording vehicles from a public space. He repeatedly emphasizes, being suspicious is not a crime. Anything my eyes can see from public, my camera can record. When officers approach and ask for his ID, Jeremy stands firm, reminding them he has committed no crime. He is simply recording from a public place, and he refuses to provide ID without a lawful reason. In the end, he makes it clear, if I'm not being detained, I can just walk away. What do you think about the way Jeremy handled this encounter? Was he right to stand up for his rights and refuse to provide ID? Or did the officers have a valid reason to ask? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn about their civil rights when dealing with police.
So, sorry. And until I can see a private sign up here,
Well, anything that's not city-owned or city road is owned by somebody.
right. It's just as well as those car lots over there, and they don't mind you coming to look either.
Yeah, they don't.
I can come buy a car in the morning, and I can look at night.
Okay.
Being suspicious is not a crime,
But this
fellas.
ain't a car lot, right?
No, they sell cars though, I'm sure.
I don't know if they do.
Yeah, I mean, I'm telling you they do. They sell cars.
This is a mechanic shop.
Well, they also sell cars
They
though.
work on cars here.
They also sell cars.
No, they don't. They work on cars for budget. I
Sir.
know the people that own this place.
They also sell cars too.
Oh, do they?
Yes, sir. But anyways, I'm not committing a crime, so therefore, what's the reason for having one of my ID? I mean, I know who I am.
Well, I don't know,
I mean,
and I don't know exactly what you're doing.
can I hold? I'm videoing. Anything my eyes can see from public, my cameras can see also.
Okay.
So, you know,
But don't you think at 3 o'clock in the morning,
being suspicious is not a crime, sir. Is it a misdemeanor or
But-
felony?
being suspicious?
Yeah, is it a misdemeanor or felony?
Yeah.
So,
But loitering is correct.
who?
Loitering?
Loitering? Looking in cars to see if I'm going to buy a car is a crime on a car lot?
This is not a car lot. This is a mechanic shop.
Where does it say mechanic shop?
It doesn't say it anywhere.
Okay, then. So
There's
how did
a
I know
tire
this?
sign right there that
So
says
how did I
tire.
know this was a mechanic shop?
How do you know the car's built for?
Because I'm looking at the no tags on some of these cars back here.
So because they don't have tags or a car lot.
It doesn't matter. I'm videoing. I'm looking into them. Yeah.
You play the games, what you doing?
Nah. I ain't got no game on me right now.
Yeah.
I'm just videoing. Yeah. So is that a crime?
Huh?
Is that a crime?
Playing
Video
games?
in the crime?
Yeah. Playing games?
Yeah.
Is that a crime? Okay. So,
No.
well, am I being entertained?
You are not being a thing.
You guys have a nice night.
Matter of fact, we appreciate you not being entertained. Yeah.
You guys ain't got nothing else better to do tonight?
No, we don't. Hey, everybody,
You guys have a nice night.
you too.
And I promise you, I won't steal no cars.
Ain't nobody said nothing about that.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know one said that.
You guys look at my YouTube channel.
What's the name of it?
Jeremy Thomas.
Jeremy Thomas?
Yes, sir. Some of you cops are all right, but night shift cops,
Yeah.
guys ain't got no life. Hey, these guys said that I was loitering, which was a crime, but again, fuck them. Got me great reactions tonight.
This encounter shows the power of knowing your rights and standing your ground. Jeremy Thomas wasn't committing any crime, he was simply filming from a public space, and that is never illegal. What do you think about the way Jeremy handled this situation? Was he right to firmly refuse to show his ID and defend his rights? Or did the officers have a valid reason to ask,